A dinosaur was recently discovered in China, and it might actually offer a lot of insight about non-avian dinosaur vocalization. It's known as Pulausaurus, and it was actually incredibly well preserved, so much so that you can still see a piece of its larynx, which is of course something that helps animals, vocalize. That's huge because the larynx is really not something that fossilizes too well. Like, we rarely ever find something like that. The only other example that we know of in dinosaurs, non-avian dinosaurs, is of Pinacosaurus, and that was a few years ago. What's really cool about this little piece of the larynx is that it is structurally very similar to modern day birds, their larynx, which of course are modern day dinosaurs. And this is actually the second time that that has been noted, as the aforementioned Pinacosaurus, its larynx was noted to be pretty similar to a bird's larynx as well. This could imply that non-avian dinosaurs had the same type of complex vocalization that modern day birds have. Of course, the larynx is not the full picture. Birds do have other structures that help them pull off the type of vocalizations that they do pull off, such as a syrinx. And we still haven't found anything like that in non-avian dinosaurs, so it is still a little bit shaky, but the fact that it is structurally similar to birds, and so far that's happened twice in both of the larynxes that we found, that might indicate that they could have had similar vocalization as modern day birds. But again, there's really still a lot to learn about this, as the picture is still relatively incomplete. So hopefully we find new things in the future that help make the picture a little bit more clear.